Hey guys, Chris from Soul Stove here with 5 of our favorite tips to guarantee that your fire pit burns with as little smoke as possible. While starting a fire in your solo stove is already the easiest way to get a beautiful smoke-free flame, we know that you guys love perfecting the craft. We've gathered these tips to impress your guests and guarantee that your family always wants to join you in your favorite backyard spot. Step number 1, dump out the ash. While it's not completely necessary to dump out the ash after each and every burn, dumping out the ash before you start your fire guarantees you'll have amazing airflow to the bottom grate that your firewood sits on. It's a step that's easy to skip, but also easy to do and makes a really big difference. If you don't have a place to dump out the ash, maybe you live in the city, try using an outdoor trash bag, putting it over the top, and then dumping the ash into that. Step number 2, start small. Start your fire with a lighter, a fire starter, and some super dried kindling. Kindling can be sticks or chunk wood, but I like to use a hatchet to split up our juniper firewood. Let that catch and create a nice bed of embers before you start adding larger pieces of wood. Step number 3, use the best firewood. Using super dry firewood, kiln dried if you can find it, will guarantee that your fire starts up easily and burns beautifully. Hardwoods like our oak firewood are also more dense, and because of that they burn longer, hotter, and are just more stable during your burn. Step number 4, don't use too much firewood. Keep your wood below the secondary burn holes and don't let it rest on the flame ring. This allows our signature 360 airflow design to bring oxygen to all parts of the wood, creating super efficient combustion. Step number 5, which is also my favorite, mix it up. If you've been burning for a while and your fire appears to die or go down a bit, use your fire pit tools to just mix up the wood. This can allow even more air to reach your firewood. And there you go. We hope these simple tips will make your experience even brighter. Building fires is truly a primal experience, and we know part of the fun is in the experimentation. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, add them in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.